Which pair has one rational number and one irrational number? Well, we're going to do this without the use of a calculator. Remember, rational means you can write it out as a fraction. Irrational means you can't. Now, looking at square roots, the square root of a perfect square gives you rational numbers. So numbers that would be rational, numbers that are perfect squares would be like the square root of 1, the square root of 4, the square root of 9, 16, 25, 36, so on and so forth. Okay, so that way when you ask yourself what times itself gives me these numbers, is just a regular old number. Numbers that are irrational would be non-perfect squares, stuff like the square root of 2, square root of 7. I don't know what number times itself gives me 7. It's not going to be pretty, that's for sure. Now, I need to look at these and figure out, all right, well, what number times itself gives me 0? Well, 0 times itself gives me 0. That's rational because it's a nice number. 3 times itself gives me 9, so that's rational. I want a rational and an irrational. A is not my option. What number times itself gives me 4? 2, so that's rational. What number times itself gives me 5? I don't know, but 5 is not a perfect square, so that one's going to be irrational. Now, just looking at the other options, square root of 3 is irrational because it's not a perfect square. Same thing with the square root of 6. Square root of 4 is a perfect square, so that's rational. Square root of 9 is a perfect square, that's rational. So the only one that makes sense here is B, baby.